play out.
Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished the second time in the Holden Commodore VE Series 2s. This one already came to us about 2 weeks ago, and you already know that we got another video with the 7-inch system fit in this car before, and it was fit the screen over here with the 7-inch. So there was something with that system that we didn't like, honestly, and the customer also didn't like, frankly. And both of us, we didn't want the head unit screen to stay here, which was very low. When you look down, when you're driving and you look down at the very narrow angle, it's okay, but it's nothing outstanding. And especially under the sun, the screen down here was awkward, and it couldn't represent all the system and performance of the new system. So basically there's nothing wrong with that head unit, except that the position of that one was just simply not accepted by us and not accepted by the customer. I mean, acceptable. Reasonably it was okay, but definitely it was not the best. So after a few discussions, we already came up some new ideas, and the customer dropped the car back, and now you are seeing the final version, which actually is the full setup of the 9-inch touchscreen, fully custom built for this Holden VE Series 2 Commodore. This one is 2011, you remember that, and currently it is running beautifully and it is fit perfectly into the place. The 9-inch system is perfectly aligned into the place here, and it won't bother any use of the factory's flash button, emergency button, or the air conditioner control event on the top here. It won't lock any function of the car, and also it doesn't make the dash look ugly as well. Overall it looks brilliant at this moment, and the factory air conditioner control here is still working as it should. So at this point, everything back into the place, and it looks definitely firm, nice, and like what we want. Okay, so exactly it is like what we want and what our customer want. The big disc screen could fit into the place on the top with the same level of the driver's eyes, and also it will run all the function as the previous 7-inch system that we got. So we basically have the one here perfectly fit in, custom built for this one beautifully, and fit it back into the car and make it looks awesome. So on the screen it is running wireless Android Auto, which actually connect to our Android phone that recording this video. And alright, you can see angle of view, it's just very nice. You won't see anything kind of ugly look on the left side or on the right side or from the top down. There's nothing like ugly thing, because we take care of millimeter fitment and millimeter detail. And that came up with this version, with this setup over here. Everything perfectly working. The factory USB is still working here as well. Now the reverse camera, okay, we keep this one connect to the previous camera that we installed before, and it's brilliant. With the camera coming up with the big and nice screen, right on the same level of the eye level from the driver's seat. That's exactly what we were looking for. And to come up to this version, to come up with this position, actually we had to set up design via the digital software, which was some digital software that we use, and then we were agreeing with all the position and design, and then we made this happen. So this is not a simple one-day job, it's not a simple 1-hour job or few hour jobs. It was a few different days of discussing, designing and making it up, and now the final position, the final version for this car is coming here. Okay, beautifully fit and 9-inch touchscreen, which is
An
awesome.
industrial unit complex in Western
you
Sydney
can
has gone up.
you can feel that, you know, the system just running so smooth. Wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and all the sort of thing that you're looking to get into the new car. So far, yep, we are happy with the design. At this moment, we are happy with the fitment, and yep, this is the 9-inch full setup for Holden Commodore VE Series 2. If you're looking for the same thing, just give us an email or call. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.